The world is sticking to its old ways as the idea of remote-controlled cleaning equipment takes hold. The whole world is questioning PhiCleaner because they don't believe that PhiCleaner does not require a remote control. The whole world is questioning autonomous solar cleaning because there is no such technological innovation so far. But we still insist that autonomous solar cleaning is the market demand and the future trend. PhiCleaner was born at the end of 2021 in Shenzhen, China. Currently, it has led the solar cleaning market in China and recognized by more and more corporate customers. China is the country with the largest installed photovoltaic capacity in the world. It is a world leader in photovoltaic modules, batteries, inverters, and other related products. More and more PV power plant owners have realized that solar cleaning is not just for removing hidden dangers of PV hotspots. Moreover, it was discovered that the power generation income brought by good solar cleaning methods can even cover the cleaning costs. Therefore, PhiCleaner becomes the best choice. PhiCleaner has been proven in practice and has completed the solar cleaning of more than 5 gigawatts PV power plants. Why is it that in less than 2 years, PhiCleaner can be far ahead of its competitors and become the leading brand of solar cleaning robots in China? First of all, it is inseparable from the rapid development of China's photovoltaic and ancillary product markets, technological innovation, and higher domestic acceptance of new technologies. Secondly, the most important thing is that PhiCleaner is the world's only autonomous solar cleaning crawler robot as the best O&M tool for PV power plants. It is essentially different from traditional remote-controlled solar cleaning equipment. It is more suitable for cleaning C and I PV power plants above megawatt scale. The following summarizes the 10 major differences between PhiCleaner and remote-controlled cleaning equipment. Difference 1. Lighter weight, detachable and easy to move. Difference 2. Low-intensity work. No need to follow the robot all the time. Difference 3. No remote control is required. The app configures PV panel information, cleaning cycle, one button to start. Difference 4. Scientific autonomous path planning. Full coverage of PV panels at one time to avoid secondary cleaning. Difference 5. Empowering more types of PV power plants, especially BIPV rooftop, PV carports, and tracker PV plants. Difference 6. Deep cleaning of PV panel frame stains. No dead corners. Difference 7. SCP-3 cleanliness maximizes solar power generation. Difference 8. Perfect cleaning work can be achieved at night or on rainy days. Difference 9. Fewer operators to save costs. One person can control multiple robots working at the same time. Difference 10. The autonomous charging and cleaning solution is optional to achieve completely unattended solar cleaning. You can check out the detailed explanation of the 10 major differences in the shorts list of my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, you can leave a message or contact us directly.